Not very pleased about it at the best of times, but particularly in the winter when it's cold, waiting in line is really cold. And ticketless offices, they're around all the world. You have to accommodate to new forms of technology that issue tickets.
It's ridiculous, it's just trying to get in. I was going to walk it, but I thought why not try and make a bit of a laugh out of the situation and see what we can do. So just thought I'd hop on one of these.
A year or so ago, London Underground, to impose cuts, got rid of 800 staff, and we're now finding that the tube network can't cope. It needs more staff, and it needs properly trained safety staff, and we're now campaigning and fighting to get those staff back.